just woke up and it is 5:50 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, because I really want to learn Pansori, just let's go learn it with the influencer. So the class is already done and it was really fun, you know. I'm still looking like this because yeah, after I woke up and then yeah, I just joined the class. The class was awesome. The Sonseng name also is awesome, and everyone is really active joining the class. The song that we learned is actually Minyo. Minyo is just like Pansori, but Pansori mostly about storytelling and don't have that many repertoire, right? But Minyo is more into folk song, but the way you sing the song, it's the same just like Pansori. So I will try to sing the song too. I know it's really hard, but yeah, let me just try. Okay, check it out. Disclaimer, I'm so sorry if I don't sound really like Pansori, but yeah, because Pansori for me is really hard. So, okay, let's start. 배띄워라, 배띄워라, 아이야 아버님 내 앞에 띄워서 어서 가자. 동서남북 바람 불 때 언제나 기다리랴. 술리고 다리 트니 이때가 아니드냐. 배띄워라, 배띄워라, 아이야 아버님 내 앞에 띄워서 어서 가자. Yeah, even though it's short because it's actually have longer lyrics, but the lyrics that I really can do and I can still remember is just that part. So yeah, what do you think about my Pansori, guys? I know it is still lacking so many things, but I hope you enjoy listening to Pansori also, because you know these days they have some modern Pansori. If you like BTS also, you can check there is a Pansori using like BTS song. The singer is Song So-hee. She sings it in Immortal Songs too. She sings Spring Day and it was really good. I will put the link on my description box so you can check it later. Okay, I think that's it for me. It is quick, but I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, like my video, comment. Please tell me about my Pansori, and also if you have the same experience about Pansori, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much and see you again later, guys. Bye bye. Annyeong.